Hey, what's going on, YouTubulous? EXO coming at you with a wicked exciting video with Little Blue. We've got more power, so hopefully we're gonna get even louder today. So stay tuned for lots of great stuff with our Vibe Audio 10K. Let's hop inside and get this show on the road. Well, here she is, YouTubulous, 10,000 watts of power, wrapped up nice with this plastic. We had some snow on the menu for yesterday, so it's nice to have this thing nice and protected. Good old Vibe Audio, first time unboxing here. So let's go ahead and get it undone. They definitely did a good job packing it up. Holy crap, this is gonna be a friggin' full-time job in itself right here. God damn. So again, special thanks to Ashley Booth over there for hitting up good old EXO to try to get us a little bit louder in Little Blue while we're waiting for our crescendo amplifiers. We're still waiting for our 5500, so in the meantime, we've got something to play with, guys. Hopefully get a little bit louder. I can see cardboard. We're getting there. Holy crap. Come on, baby. Come on. Hulkmania. Yeah. Looks like we're getting a whole bunch of cologne. This is ridiculous. Let's see what this bad boy is all about. I hear it has some pretty interesting technology. It has the footprint of our, smaller Brazilian amplifiers we're seeing nowadays, but it has a board of those ever familiar Korean amplifiers. Definitely something new for me. First time, right here. Oh, there she is. I can see something. Woo! Packed up real well. What's this right here? Either that's some packing stuff or there's extra goodies in here. I have no idea what are in these little boxes. Check it out, guys. And even that has some packing material on it. Good Lord. They're putting us to work over there at Vibe Audio. Jeez, I'm crow. Let's see what we got here, Ashley. Huge thanks for thinking a good old EXO and sending me a message. That's awesome. Look at that. I see 21,000 written on the package. That's gotta be max power. Or something. I don't know, but that's a big number just to be pointing out at us. Holy fuck. But check it out. The Black Death line of amplifier. 21K? What the fuck? Why does it say 21K on it? I thought this was a 10,000 watt amplifier. Holy crap. Guys, I don't know what's going on here. Maybe it's just the box, but holy crap. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? It says 21,000 watts on it, you guys. What the fuck? What the flying ass is going on, guys? Look at this tiny little thing. Well, it's pretty big, but it's tiny for what it can produce. What on earth is that all about? I can't wait to get a closer look at what this amplifier has to offer. We got single 0 gauge inputs right there, but he already recommended that I get some dual adapters there so we have even more power flow. Dual fans right there coming out of the PCB, keeping it nice and cold. Obviously all the conventional stuff, high pass, low pass, bass boost, gain, and as well as a little button for our high-low input. Check out all that nice ventilation on the back. Lots of fissures and grooves so the air can flow nice and freely between the board and the heatsink. So what do we have about first impressions? It's definitely pretty hefty. Seems like a solid board. I can't wait to test it out in Little Blue with our Crescendo 18s. I think it's about time we go install this thing. What do you say? Stay tuned, everybody. Woo! Alrighty then, guys, we have officially got the amplifier installed. My fingers are freezing. It looks just as bad as it did before. We got wires all over the place, but it's gonna get the job done, and this is a test setup. Our tool makers are looking the best of all right there with our offset aluminum dual inputs. Let's go to the secret spot. We got the amplifier all installed, the Vibe Audio 10K. We're gonna put her to the test at 2 ohms. These are dual 2 ohm coils, so I didn't want to bring the bad boy down to 0.5 ohm on the first go-getter, you know what I'm saying? So since our highest score last time was outlaw testing, we had never done that before that video, we're gonna try it again in this video, and then we'll go legal, sealed up on the dash. All right, we got noise. Here we go, guys. We got the meter on here. I'm gonna reset the meter. Here we go. Here she is right here on our lap. I'm gonna face the camera down there, actually. Give her some RPMs. All right. Wait, that's not 40 hertz. That's not 40 hertz. That must have been some sort of sweep or something. All right, here we go, everybody. $156.63, almost the 57. I'm gonna try to pull my seat up a little bit. Put the seat up, scooch her forward a little, angle her, see if that'll do it right there. We're almost at the 57. That's kind of exactly what I wanted, and this is at 2 ohm, guys. Imagine if this was at 1 ohm. Holy shit. So let's go ahead and try this again. Here we go. Vibe Audio 10K at 2 ohm. Yeah, buddy. Yep. What the fuck? Fucking 57.68 in the kick. Right there, outlaw style, guys. Just trying to get, you know, the loudest I've ever got, and there she is. Let's try to pull the meter outside. Not outside, but let's go ahead and grab the SSA APM1 and stick it up here on the dash. And let's see what the hell is going on up here. Pretty damn exciting right there. That's fucking loud for 218s, guys. I am very happy with that. Let's try it again. Just reset the track. Oh, let me take a screenshot of that right there. That's awesome. 57.6, woo, fucking loud. Here we go, reset her. $56.8 on the fucking dash with the window open. I'm gonna roll this window up and get a legal score right here, guys. That's very exciting. Some real power getting these things fucking opening up. Right, guys, oh my god, 155.6 sealed on the dash. Everything legal on the dash, seat all the way up, tilted forward, this window, everything closed, no brace on the roof. This is definitely gonna be my loudest build for what it is, guys. Holy shit. Let's go ahead and go back up to 40 hertz so I can screenshot this, guys. Oh my word, this is fantastic. Reset her. That's even louder. That's even louder, guys. Check that out. 155.8. Fucking awesome. Very happy with that, guys. We got the legal 155. We got the fucking outlaw 157. Whew! Now that's some shit right there, guys. Let me turn the camera around so you can see. I am wicked happy with the results of the Vibe Audio 10K. Let's go ahead and get back there. Even though it's ugly as hell, guys, it's a temporary setup. That's the name of the game in the Basshead world, if you know what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and check out what she looks like. We got the input adapters on there. We got the freaking wire plugged in right there on the side. Everything's looking good, guys. Doing the loudest score I've ever done with 218. So big hats off to Vibe Audio over there, Ashley Booth, for letting us test some new equipment with this 10K. Huge thanks to Droppin' Hertz Car Audio for helping support the EXO channels by providing everyone who watches this video with a 5% discount on most anything they have. Simply plug in the handy-dandy EXO coupon code and have a blast. Another great way to help me, help you, help us find better deals. Droppin' Hertz for the win. Well, here we are coming at you from in the car, about 10 miles away from the amp lab. I am really excited. Gonna get some good power ratings for the Vibe Audio 10K over there from Ashley. Let's go ahead and do some 2 ohm testing, some 1 ohm testing. Let's see what this bad bitch can do. Well, alright guys, you know where we are. In the madness itself with the amp lab behind us. Holy crap, we have got lots on the menu for tonight for the Vibe Audio Test. They got the dyno right over there.
We got a selectable load bank, so we can pick whatever load we want.
Options of 1, 1.6, 2, 4, and 8 ohms. This is just a digital oscope to make sure everything's monitored correctly.
We use that to monitor the waveform coming out of the amplifier so we can see if the waveform isn't right.
Battery bank down here, 10 excess power D1400 14-volt batteries.
So we're gonna plug everything up with single inputs first, and just like that, we have got the first set of the test leads plugged in. One end goes right here, the other is right there, and our batteries are the star of the show, holding up that voltage for the dyno.
The driver board in this is similar to all the new 11K boards. Yeah, the whole output section is really similar, it's just smaller.
So that infamous 10K mark is getting even closer within grasp here. Wow, so there's a board here showing these little holes, which a lot of companies don't seem to utilize, but these guys, they tacked on all sorts of extra wires right onto there. So that's probably to bus over a little bit of extra current to where it needs it on the board. All right, so we got Troy at the helm here. The amplifier gain is right there at the tip of his screwdriver. He's gonna adjust it until we see how much power this amplifier can make. So, Troy, whenever you're ready, man, these guys wanna see some stuff. Here he goes. Oh, you can hear 4,734 watts. Not bad for a single run of power wire there.
That's basically the most we can get through one on any amp.
Yeah.
You're seeing the limit of the wire right there.
Yep, so what Ethan just said, we're seeing the limit of what this wire can carry. So even their big amplifiers, that's as much as they've ever seen off a single run. Holy shit, they bounce. So now we have dual inputs, so that can probably entertain a little bit more power for us since it's able to carry more amperage. So now in hopes of getting even more power out of her, we got Ethan over here dropping everything, plugging in our dual input adapters, and he's clamping one of them, and we'll multiply it by 2 since there is clearly 2 leads. We don't need to clamp both of them because it would indeed max this guy right out. And now, unlike the first time, I'm gonna point the camera inside the amplifier to let you guys hear how this sounds, hearing all these parts do their job. So whenever you're ready, Troy.
There we go.
Holy cow, you heard that. Look at that, 7,000 watts, guys. We're definitely getting up there.
Look at the voltage, it's even higher.
Wow.
Dual inputs. That definitely needs it.
Wow, so that's really interesting. Our voltage didn't go as low, and we're seeing more power, 7,000 watts, just from adding an extra pair of wires. So now I'm very interested because Ashley, he told me this thing wants quad inputs. I wouldn't doubt it if you added even more copper that this may be even doing its 10,000 watt rating. Holy shit.
We maxed out both leads.
Check it out, guys. It maxed out both leads. So we're seeing roughly over 800 amps being pulled from this single amplifier. That is a true testament to how much it can pull, but holy shit, I didn't imagine it to be pulling that many amps. Since we're maxing both of these wires out, it really wants more wires.
It really does.
Yeah.
So there's pretty much the limitations of the test we can do here at the Amp Lab. We're maxing out all of our tools here and we don't have any more inputs from the good old tool maker. So there she is, guys, 7,000 watts. Now we're gonna switch things over onto 4 ohm, just for all those fanatics over there. People obviously deal with box rise, so seeing a number at this impedance is a little bit more realistic. Whenever you're ready, Troy. Holy frig. Holy hell, are you serious right now? Now that is some power that's at 4 ohm?
That's 4 ohm.
Holy shit. Dropping to 13.12 volts. So now this is right where I'm starting to get excited again. So when we get the impedance up a little bit, it becomes a whole new animal. Check that out, guys. A little bit more efficient too. At 4 ohms, it says it will do 3,470 watts. And it is clearly doing more than that, 4,534 watts.
Let's do 2 ohm also.
All right, here goes 2 ohm testing here for the YouTube land. Holy Moses. 5,930 watts at 2 ohm. Now this is a great way to kind of correspond those numbers. My old setup with the NVX amps was hitting a 154.6 at around 4,000 watts, and I was at 2 ohm just the other day and I hit a 155.6. So those numbers definitely correspond to why I'm a little bit louder with this amplifier. I gained almost a full decibel just by putting this Vibe Audio 10K in. So I want you to comment what you think below, and I want to send a big thanks to, Troy up here doing the testing, and Ethan up here for plugging in all the wires, making these little 0 gauge leads jump for us. That was pretty cool. So until the next video, guys, this is EXO signing out. Waka!